Samsung A22, A226B, 5G, free Nvdata and Nvram file download. Are you facing issues with the IMEI number on your Samsung A22, A226B, 5G? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Download the Nvdata and Nvram files for free and repair the IMEI number of your device by flashing these security files. Download link. Find the file link in the description below. Learn mobile repairing online. We provide comprehensive chip-level mobile repairing training courses online. Our courses cover everything you need to become an expert in mobile repairs. Learn from the comfort of your home with our Android app. Download our app. Download the Welcome Zone Training Hub app now from the Google Play Store. Our app offers mobile repair training videos and courses, including chip-level mobile repairing training courses available for sale. Some content is available for free viewing within the app. What you will learn: easy JTAG box, UFI box, and MIPI tester box software, hardware training, eMMC and UFS change training. App download link. Find the app download link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills and fix your device. Join our community and start learning today. Join our community. Have questions or facing technical issues? Join our community support forum to discuss any mobile technical issues with experts and fellow enthusiasts. It's a great place to get help and share your knowledge. Support forum link. Find the support forum link in the description below. Thanks for watching Welcome Zone.